LGBTQ plus groups in North Carolina say their community is under attack. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rod Carter.
I'm Angela Taylor. Thanks for being here. Now those groups are suing the state over a new law that restricts medical procedures for transgender minors. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh. And Michael, the family of a 9-year-old boy is involved in this.
Right, they live in Durham and they're suing along with a doctor and advocacy groups. But this is likely not the only new law that's going to be challenged in court.
Coinciding with National Coming Out Day, a federal lawsuit filed Wednesday challenges a new law in North Carolina impacting transgender youth.
Parents should not have their rights curtailed because their children are transgender.
This summer, the General Assembly enacted a ban on treatments like puberty blockers and surgeries for transgender minors. The family of a transgender 9-year-old boy in Durham is among those suing. Attorneys say the law violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment.
And we know that their pleas fell on deaf ears as a slate of hateful legislation was rushed through to erase us.
At the time, Republicans said the law was necessary to protect children. They cited the case of Precia Mosley, who underwent gender transition procedures and is now suing her medical providers.
At 18, my healthy breasts were cut off and incinerated. As a result of these healthcare providers' actions, I have suffered severe and lasting injuries.
If you wait through puberty, a lot of these issues resolve themselves. So we're hoping that that will happen.
Rowan Bilodeau is transgender and says treatments have helped him.
We're going to start feeling more and more like we're not welcome here. And because of that, I think more and more of us are going to maybe not be here anymore.
There are legal challenges playing out in other states regarding similar laws, and the issue could end up at the U.S. Supreme Court. The General Assembly also enacted a ban on transgender females competing in women's sports and created new requirements for schools to inform parents when their child changes the name or pronouns they use in schools. Additional lawsuits regarding those changes could come too.
The attorneys involved in this also say this new law violates the Affordable Care Act because the law blocks taxpayer money being used for these procedures, which they say is discriminatory. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael, thank you.